Welcome back YouTube to Rick's YouTube channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the settings on the ambient light on the bottom of the Sony Bravia TV. So if it's quite annoying when you're watching TV, you can also dim it or switch it off completely. So this is how you do it. First off, grab your remote control, hit the home button, straight onto settings, down to system settings, and then scroll down to general settings. And then illumination LED. Hit that. At the moment this is on demo. You can change it to auto brightness. You can see it's gone a lot dimmer there. Change it to dark, and that will stay at auto brightness. Simple response means every time you touch remote control it will flash or off altogether. So that's how you change the ambient light on the bottom of the Sony Bravia TV. Thanks for watching.